TypeError tried to add a script or macro to your Google Sheets with a onEdit trigger, and when you run it to authorize it or to test it out, you get this error. So the reason why you get this error is this onEdit is designed to run whenever the Google Sheet is edited. So let's add a console log here to show you what E contains. And so let's run this again. And you can see here, undefined. So let's actually try an edit over here. And so let's pick a status. And the script is designed to add a timestamp. So there is there. So the script did run successfully from the Google Sheet. Now we're still having an error here. So let's go look at the executions. And so there's that one that just failed. And there's that undefined and that error. If we click on the one that just happened, you can see our console has something else. It has all this stuff that we can use to check out what was edited and what happened. And so the reason why we get the error when we run it from this context is this E is supposed to contain data about the event or what changed in the Google Sheet. So if we run from here, there's no change for it to read. So if you want to mute this error, we can add something like this. If exclamation point E, so that will get rid of any errors. Then we can do return. And so now, if we hit run, you can see nothing happens because once we hit return, it ends the execution. So we can actually move this even up here and then we'll see what happens. Now you can see the undefined and then it quits without an error. So here we could say console log script ended. And then put that down. And we'll run this again. And so there you can see undefined from here. And then E is undefined. And so it said script ended and ends it right there. So this is a way that you can process that. So that way you don't have that error and you're wondering if you messed something up in your script. So I want to show you here because on form submit is another option that you can use. And you'll have a very similar thing. And basically it has the same TypeError cannot read properties of undefined. And so anytime you have this event object in here, if you're trying to run it from the script editor, you're going to have that error. And so really the way you have to test it is by running either the Google Sheet or the form to see if you're getting the results that you expect. All right, that's it for today's video. Make sure to check out our other videos for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.